Hi, lovelies. Thanks for stopping by. Here is Phoebe's Kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Today, join me and let's make a delicious Ghanaian black chili sauce or SHITO. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. I'll start by cutting my chicken breast into cubes. You can cut them into strips or into any shape and size of your choice. And I'll add this chicken to my SHITO later on, and it's totally optional. You can also use beef or any protein of your choice, yeah? All done now. So next, I'm going ahead to add my seasonings. And here I've got my ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chicken seasoning, dried mixed herbs, yeah? Next, I'm adding my dried oregano. Yes, and next I'm going ahead to add my Chinese fried spice. Next, I'm adding my coriander leaf, basil leaf, and my oyster sauce. Next, I'm adding my black, white, and red peppercorns. And next, I'm going ahead to add my cooking wine. Yes, and next, I'm adding my dark soy sauce. Next, I'm adding my honey. You can as well use brown sugar, okay? And it's fine. Next, I'm going ahead to add my melted butter. Next, cornstarch or use any flour of your choice. Next, pinch of salt, and now I'm grating some lime zest. It's optional, and I'm going ahead to also add some of the lime juice, which is also optional. But I hope you don't opt them out because you love the combination if you include them. Okay, so now let's mix everything together. Just rub everything in just like so, and make sure all the chicken is well coated with the seasonings just like so. I've added some more salt, chili powder, and cayenne pepper for color, and now sesame oil for flavor and to create some glossiness on the chicken. Yeah. Again, give it a stir to combine. Okay. So next, I'm covering the chicken up with my cling film, and I'll allow them to marinate for about 2 to 3 hours in the fridge. Yes. So we are back after 3 hours. And it's time to fry our pieces of chicken breast. And ooh, so beautiful. Just like that. Turn them over. Mmm, this is so aromatic. Lovely. All the beautiful flavors thrown on the chicken are releasing themselves one after the other, and my house smells amazingly magical. They are now ready, so let's take them out of the oil just like so. This is so crispy on the outside and very moist on the inside, just as I wanted. Ooh, this is so beautiful. Next, in a saucepan, I'm adding olive oil. I'll go ahead and add my bay leaf just like so, and I'll add my coriander seeds, fresh thyme, star aniseed, black, red, and white peppercorns. I will stir it for about 2 minutes for them to release their flavors, and next I'll add my ginger, garlic, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'll also add my curry leaves, red bell pepper, green paprika, green bell pepper, carrots, and celery. And then I'll give it a gentle stir, just like so. Mm, this is so beautiful, and the aroma here is super amazing. 3 minutes later, I'm going ahead to add my well-seasoned, ovened, baked mackerel, but I'll first remove the bones and add some Badia complete seasoning and shrimp tablet. Again, I'll give it a stir until everything is well combined. And at this point, the vegetables are translucent and have fried enough, so I'll let them cool down before I blend them here. And in the blender, I'm adding all the ingredients just like so. And because I already have oil in the vegetables, I'll just blend them and it's going to be fine. However, if it's going to be difficult, don't use water, instead use oil, because when making shito, we don't need water at all. For it to last for a long time, we need oil. So yes, we are all done blending. In the saucepan, I've added my seasoned oil, my bay leaf, and onion for more flavor. At this point, I'm adding my tomato paste and I'm going to stir and leave it to simmer for about 7 minutes until it's pebble-like, okay? And until the color changes to a little bit golden brown. Yeah, this is already smelling so good. Next, I'm adding my blended aromatics. Lovelies, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, okay? Don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Now let's give it a stir to combine everything nicely and beautifully. Lovelies, to support your girl, kindly like this video, also share for others to see, and comment for me to know your thoughts about this recipe, yeah? Now let's cover it up for every juice in it to gradually go down. So I'm back again, and so far so good. The juice is about 80% dried out. Let's cover it up again for the process to continue. We are back again, and now it's time to add our herring powder and prawns powder. Again, give it a stir for everything to be well combined. Yeah. For more heat, I'm going ahead to add some crushed chili peppers. And again, I'll stir to combine just like so. Next, I'm adding fish powder and salt. Again, stir to combine. Next, I'm adding my fried chicken breast and herring fillet. You stir to combine everything beautifully and nicely. To clear your thought, I couldn't do the shito the same day that I fried the chicken, so I had to put them in the freezer until the next day. That is why the pieces of chicken breast are frozen, and because of that, I'll give the shito more time to let all the water or juice that may come from the chicken breast to dry out completely. Yeah. Wow, lovely. This is an amazing and new improved shito recipe that I've ever made, and I'm so sure you've been inspired. At this point, finally, our shito is ready and can be served. And tada, I paired my black chili sauce or shito with my quenqueng or chinkafa. And the whole video is playing on my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, and on my TikTok platform. Lovelies, I also enjoy this with a lot of Ghanaian dishes, such as wachi, kenke, fried plantain, fried yam, jollof rice, fried rice, awamo or braised rice or oil rice as you may call it. And now is the time to add some to my quenqueng or chinkafa. And look at that. This tastes so amazing. Lovelies. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Mamma mia. Boy, oh boy, this is amazing. Out of the world. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah. Kiss. Bye, y'all. Yummy. Delicious.